In this video, I'm going to be breaking down a 1 to 18 risk reward ratio on EURUSD, and if you've been missing out or struggling with consistency, this is a video for you. All right, so make sure you watch to the very end as I show you everything step by step. All right, so let's get started right now. As you can see right now, we had a nice drop, base rally, which broke structure. And if you missed last week's trade, this one right here, where we're able to catch this move right here, then you have another opportunity to be able to actually catch this move because it's presenting in a very similar way. So we have a drop base rally with a break of structure right here and also right here, then telling us that okay, the market is continuing with the trend to the upside. And right now what we are expecting is for the market to pull back into this area, give us a confirmation before we can actually execute this trade to the upside. All right, so let's go to the higher time frame and actually see what is happening. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you're going to appreciate that this market has been to the upside for some time now, and it's only wise for us to actually trade with the trend. Remember what they say, a trend is your friend until it's no longer a trend. You can see we have had higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and we are targeting that high right there. And you can see that right now we had this big push that happened on Friday, and that's the reason why we're expecting the market first of all to pull back. So whenever we have such big momentum candles to the upside like this one right here, what usually happens is that the market usually leaves behind imbalances or order blocks. All right, so you can see that there was a very big candle right here, this big momentum candle right here, so it left behind an order block and a fair value gap, and all those things have to be filled in before the market proceeds to go to the upside. So that's how the market moves, right? So because of that imbalance, we are expecting the market to pull back to at least fill in these imbalances, tap in and this and fulfill orders which were left behind before we can actually see the market potentially going to the upside. That's the scenario I expect if I'm to execute this particular trade right here. And for my stop loss, I'm just going to be just below here, and let me show you how I was able to actually get my stop loss. So if you could come to the 15-minute time frame, you'll be able to appreciate this candle right here. So I got the last red candle right there. You can see the high and the low of that candle, and I'm just waiting for price to actually pull back into this area. So depending on how the market opens, remember anything can happen. This market can literally open and push to the upside and we get to miss out on this particular trade, or the market can actually just come and drop all the way down, or the market can come and actually respect our strategy, and that would be great. And once that happens, it will be shared in our premium signals community like we always do, and make sure you don't miss out on that particular trade. This looks really amazing. It's an A+ setup. It actually meets all our criteria. So once the market comes into my area right here, definitely I'm looking for that confirmation candle around this area, and then once I have that, remember I'll be looking for something like this, right? So if the market pulls back, we have something like this, then the market taps into our zone, goes back, breaks this structure, and it's pulled back somewhere here, then we can expect a buy. So that's kind of what I'll be expecting at this level right here, a change of character and then the push to the upside. That'll be my confirmation for a buy on this particular trade. If you ask me, this looks really amazing. Does it mean it's going to work automatically? No. Does it meet my criteria? Yes. So that's all you have to ask yourself. You and I don't have that privilege to know which trade is going to work or not. However, what we can do is just execute our proven edge, our proven system that we've been trading with for the past 5 years in these markets. All right, so if you got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. And if you'd like to actually join us and be able to trade with us, there will be links down in the description. Get chatting with me via Telegram, WhatsApp, or in the description below. All right, so you guys, I hope you found value, and until next time, goodbye.